With all the golden buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt hate for. The popo these days, it's nice to see something so positive. Some cops are truly awful, but there are bad people in every group or organization, and I still feel most cops are really trying to protect and serve their community. Props to this officer for doing the right thing. Most of us can't say we would charge at a speeding train with no hesitation. Props to this officer. And she did a piss poor job at it. She didn't seem very golden buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. I know the golden buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt is really negative. And when I first saw this I actually did think, wow, a video of a cop doing something good. This is a legitimately uplifting action rather than some bullshit TikTok or video of cops playing basketball. But you know what? I don't care. This should be their jobs. Sad thing is that it isn't. She could have sat in her car and watched his limbs fly and there would have been absolutely nothing wrong with that in the eyes of the law. Cops have no responsibility to serve or protect. And just because once in a while they decide that they actually want to be decent doesn't mean that they're other products.